Alright, now we're going to play some sound samples for the Bose Revolve 2 Plus. Bring up the little handle so you can tell. And first of all, we're going to play some female vocals with some drums, so we can see how it plays with female vocals. Alright, let's start. And this will be playing at 50% volume. Right, we're going to increase the volume to 70%.